Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 best diffuser hair dryers for curly hair. If you have curly hair like me, you know how challenging it can be to find the perfect hair dryer that not only dries your hair quickly but also enhances your natural curls. Well, worry no more because we've done the research for you. Let's jump right in. Here is the 5 best diffuser hair dryers for curly hair. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. Starting off our list at number 1, we have the INFINITIPRO by Conair Hair Dryer with Innovative Diffuser. This dryer features a unique diffuser attachment that is designed to evenly distribute heat, providing gentle drying while minimizing frizz. Its powerful motor and ionic technology leave your curls feeling soft, shiny, and bouncy. Coming in at number 2, we have the REVLON Infrared Hair Dryer. This hair dryer utilizes infrared heat technology, which dries your hair from the inside out, reducing damage and frizz. With its Tourmaline ionic technology, it helps to lock in moisture, resulting in healthier-looking curls. Next up at number 3, we have the KISS 1875W Pro Tourmaline Ceramic Hair Dryer. This hair dryer features a Tourmaline ceramic technology that emits negative ions, reducing frizz and static. The built-in Tourmaline ceramic ionic generator also helps to protect your hair from heat damage while enhancing your natural curls. Moving on to number 4 on our list, we have the Conair Hair Dryer with Retractable Cord. This hair dryer is not only convenient with its retractable cord, but it also delivers powerful airflow for fast drying. The diffuser attachment included with this dryer helps to define and enhance your curls, giving you salon-like results. Last but certainly not least, we have the Panasonic Nanoe Salon Hair Dryer with oscillating quick dry nozzle, diffuser, and concentrator attachments. This hair dryer features advanced Nanoe technology that adds moisture and reduces frizz, resulting in smooth and shiny curls. The oscillating quick dry nozzle evenly distributes airflow, drying your hair quickly and gently. There you have it, our top 5 diffuser hair dryers for curly hair. Each of these dryers offers unique features that cater to the needs of curly-haired individuals. Remember, finding the right hair dryer can make a world of difference in achieving those beautiful, bouncy curls. So go ahead, pick the one that suits you best and embrace your natural curls. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried any of these diffuser hair dryers and which one is your favorite. Until next time, take care and embrace your beautiful curls.